What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, and a place to be. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe, hit the like button below, because I already know you're going like this. So today, I just wanted to get on here to talk about not being a slave to this kind of work, or whatever work you do. Going out there and enjoying life still should be, a main focus or a main goal for all of you. Because as we know, life is short. No days promised. You're here 1 minute and you're gone the next. So enjoying life to the fullest, whatever that means to you, if that means seeing loved ones every now and then, taking a vacation with friends, taking a vacation by yourself, going out of town, doing something that you enjoy, because you can get lost. You can get lost in this. Work all the time and no time for play. So I know, at least for myself, I try to vacation with wifey at least 2-3 times a year. I try to not let the stress of work take over, because at times, it can be hard being in this kind of business where every day you're starting at zero. You're making your money again. And that's not easy to think about, when the numbers aren't but so big. You're not working where you're getting big, humongous orders, $100 here. It's not like that. You're getting little orders that add up to a bigger number at the end. So it just takes a lot longer, Just not letting that stress me, Just taking whatever I can from this and putting that towards other things that I enjoy and the things that I like to do that help me get some of my time back, because that's all we want. We want time, right? Time is money. And the older you get, the more you realize that time is super important. Spending time with loved ones, time doing the stuff that you love to do, whatever it is, time in itself is the most important thing. And that's something that we are not all promised. So, I just wanted to shoot a quick video just to remind you guys to take some time for yourself. Don't let work be everything. They tell us, go to school, go to college, work for somebody else, retire, and then die. That is no way to live. Nowhere in that does it say become an entrepreneur, make money for yourself, live the American dream. And nowhere do they say that. It's always go to school, learn something, work for somebody else, work for a company 30 plus years, and then die. No. I feel like this generation, the millennials and Gen Z, I think we were the ones to realize that it's more than just working. It's enjoying time with family. It's enjoying time for self. It's self-reflecting. It's about all of that, So at the end of the day, you got to do what's best for yourself, your family, and your health. So if you got any value from this video and you like what your boy is saying, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below. Until the next time, peace out.